Hi, Assalamualaikum. So today our group are going to present about one of the facility or process of a smart campus in our UiTM Jengke, and we have been focused on Koperasi Tenteja about this cashless process. And the prototype that we've planned to create is a self-service checkout machine. And before we start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Ikmal Haziq bin Sadun and my metric number is 2023125931.
Hi, my name is Cik Nur Anila binti Cik Mazlan. My metric number is 2023169369 and I am from class 4D.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Inshira binti Muhammad Yatimi. My metric number is 20231499685 and I am from BA2324D.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Syuhada binti Rosli. I'm from class BA2324D. My metric number is 2023125921.
UiTM stands for University Technology Mara. The vision of UiTM is to be a top university known for academic excellence, helping Bumiputra succeed in all professional fields and producing globally competitive graduates with strong ethics. Their mission is to improve the knowledge and skills of Bumiputras through professional programs, research and community service, all based on moral values. Their objective is to provide many opportunities for Bumiputras to study in various fields like science, technology, business, arts, and humanities. They aim to offer quality and innovative programs that meet current market needs and support national development. They also focus on human resource development to instill strong values within our university community. One of their facilities, Co-op Mart, is available at UiTM Pahang, including the Jengke and Raut branches. Co-op Mart has been serving students for 24 years, providing easy access to necessities at lower prices than outside stores, saving them time and energy. As of 2016, it has 32 staff members and operates under the supervision of the Koperasi Kaki Tangan Institute Koperasi Malaysia.
At UiTM, Co-op Mart offers various cashless purchase methods to enhance the shopping experience for their customers. These methods include QR Pay, online payment, digital e-wallets like Touch 'n Go, and debit and credit cards. By offering multiple payment options, Co-op Mart allows customers to choose their preferred methods, making the payment process faster and more convenient. Online payment provide flexibility, allowing customers to pay through the most convenient option for them. During the pandemics, there was a significant rise in cashless transactions, highlighting the long-term benefits of these methods. Reducing physical contact in daily life not only improves convenience but also lowers the risk of future pandemics. Given health and hygiene concerns, managing cash can raise worries about the spread of germs. Cashless methods clearly address these concerns, making shopping safer for everyone. Overall, Co-op Mart's adoption of cashless payment options ensure a secure, efficient and hygienic shopping experience for their customers.
So let's move on to the current flow process chart. So this is the procedure or the process that have been used by Koperasi UiTM Jengke. There are two POV that we've been discussing and analyzed for customer and seller. Let's first talk about the customer. As the customer want to start the process, they need to walk into the store first, and then they need to select or pick any desired items that they want to buy before bringing them to the cashier. And then after bringing the item to the cashier will scan all the items to know the total price for everything that the customer wants to buy. And then these are the features of Smart Campus, which is the customer will give an option to make a payment method, whether they want to pay cash or by a QR code or by using a debit card. And then after making the payment, the customer will also give an option to receive the receipt or just to take the items, and the process will end just like that. Now let's move on to the seller point of view. As for seller, they're just waiting at the cashier to receive the items that the customer wants to buy, and then they need to scan the items to know the total price, and then they receive the payment, whether by card, by online banking, or by cash. And then they need to ask the customer if or whether they want the receipt or not. If the customer wants the receipt, they need to print the receipt and give it to the customer. If not, they need to print the receipt also, as for their records for the future calculation of the year, or they want to calculate the profit.
For input bank, there are 4 steps need to do. First, student will open and log in into any bank account that they use. Then they press the Do It Now QR icon to pay for the item that they have selected. Next, they will scan the Do It Now QR standee at Co-op Mart to continue the payment process. After that, they will enter the amount they need to pay and the detailed payment if they want to fill it in, and then they will continue to press submit to next process. 4. They need to press the approve button to confirm the transaction to the bank account owned by Co-op Mart. Finally, customers will receive an online payment receipt and a message indicating that the payment was successful. Then they must show the attached receipt to the Co-op Market worker as evidence of payment. For input TNG e-wallet, there are 4 steps in this application. First, students enter the TNG e-wallet application and select the scan icon on the home page to continue the QR scan process. Second, they will scan the Do It Now QR standee at Co-op Mart to continue the payment process. After that, they will enter the amount of money to be paid and enter the detail if they want. Then press the confirm button to continue the PIN number entry process. 4. Students need to enter their 6-digit PIN number to continue the payment. Finally, customers will receive an online payment receipt and a message indicating that the payment was successful. Then they must show the attached receipt to the Co-op Market worker as evidence of payment. Students can pay using debit or credit card. They can swipe the card or enter their PIN number on a keypad at machine terminal. After that, they will get a paper receipt as proof of payment for the item they purchased.
Next, I will continue with a problem statement for cashless method on behalf of customer. First, accessibility concerns. Accessibility issues may arise as some customers may lack access to electronic payment methods like credit or debit cards or mobile payment apps, potentially excluding specific demographics such as those without bank accounts or digital literacy from completing purchase at the Co-op store. Second, privacy concerns. Addressing potential privacy concerns is crucial as some customers may worry about the safety of their personal and financial data when utilizing electronic payments options. Ensuring compliance with data protection regulation is a key to preserving customer trust. Last, resistance to change. Resistance to change may arise when introducing a cashless system with both customers and employees accustomed to traditional cash transactions. Providing sufficient training and support during the transition is essential for overcoming this resistance and ensuring a seamless implementation process. Next is problem statements that occurs on behalf of the seller. First, technological dependence. Dependence on electronic payment systems expose the Co-op store to technological vulnerabilities such as system outage, internet connectivity issues, or malfunctioning hardware. This challenge have the potential to disrupt business operations and result in customer dissatisfaction. Second, transaction fees. Electronic payment providers frequently impose transaction fees on merchants for handling payments, which can diminish the co-op store's profit margins, especially for small business operating on limited budgets. And lastly is internal fraud. Internal fraud within a cashless system entails illicit actions carried out by individuals within the store, leveraging weaknesses in electronic payment systems. Now, let's move to the proposed system objectives of the new system. To address the issues stemming from the cashless system at Co-op Mart, we have developed a solution which is implementing self-service checkout machines. We believe this innovative approach will enhance the shopping experience for both customers and sellers. The objectives of proposing this idea are to reduce operational costs, to mitigate technical issues, and to offer convenience for customers. First, to reduce operational costs. Implementing self-service checkout machine systems significantly reduce labor costs by decreasing the need for cashiers, allowing customers to handle their own transactions, which directly translate to savings on wages and benefits. This shift enables the reallocation of staff to roles that enhance customer service and operational efficiency, such as stocking shelves and managing inventory without additional hiring. Operational efficiency is further improved by reducing the time and cost associated with training new cashiers as machines guide customers through transactions, ensuring consistent performance and fewer mistakes. Second is to mitigate technical issues. Mitigating technical issues is a significant advantage of self-service checkout machine, which offer localized processing capabilities that enable transactions to be complete offline. This ensures seamless service during internet outage and helps prevent potential revenue loss. By handling transactions locally, machines reduce latency compared to cloud-based systems, resulting in quicker and more reliable service. Lastly, to offer convenience for customers, self-service checkout systems revolutionize the shopping experience by empowering customers to manage their purchase independently and efficiently. Featuring intuitive touchscreens interface and clear instructions, these machines are designed to be accessible and user-friendly for customers of all technological abilities. Customers appreciate the control and flexibility to scan and buy items at their own pace, catering to various shopping preferences and significantly reduce wait times, especially during peak hours. This is not only enhanced customer satisfaction by minimizing queue length, but also provides a sense of privacy and comfort for those who prefer minimal interaction with store staff. After that, scope of the new system. Self-service checkout machine, also known as self-checkout systems or kiosks, are automated devices designed to allow customers to independently scan, buy, and pay for their purchase without the need for assistance from a cashier. These machines typically feature a user-friendly touchscreen interface where the customer can interact to perform various tasks related to checkout. As referred to, Lotus application developed under the IBM brand encompass a diverse range of functionalities catering to organizational needs. Key features include robust email and calendaring capabilities through Lotus Notes, facilitating efficient communication and scheduling. Collaboration tools like document sharing and workflow management enhance team productivity. Co-op Mart can use this application as a role model for their store to improve their sales.
Customers gain from self-service checkout device and apps in a variety of ways. They greatly reduce wait times and enable for faster transition, which is especially useful during peak shopping hours. Customers with only a few products benefit from this speed and efficiency as it provides a faster option to regular checkout plans. This machine and application often allow a variety of payment methods, including cash, debit, card, and mobile payment, and provide users control over the checkout process. Customers can scan and buy products at their own time, which reduce the pressure and potential errors associated with a rush transition. Another advantage is self-service checkout and apps enable invisible transitions in personal or private items rather than requiring interaction with cashier. Furthermore, this device can be offered for longer periods, giving customers with hectic schedule more freedom. They also empower customers by providing them control over their transition, which may appeal to tech-savvy folk who seek minimum human interaction. This is example of process flow chart of data in new system for customer and seller. There are 8 description flowchart process for customer. First, walk into the store. Customer like student and worker will enter the co-op to purchase their daily expenses or item that they want. Second, select or pick items. Customer will continue to choose item at the co-op. They are free to choose the item and the quantity item that they need. Third, scan item using apps. To facilitate the payment process, customer need to scan the barcode provided on the item they have chosen. Once the item has been scanned, it will automatically output information about the type of item, the price of the item, and the quantity of the item in the application. For payment button, after completing the selection of the item, the customer can continue to go the self-service payment counter that has been prepared by the co-op. Then they can directly press the payment button on the apps. 5. Barcode generator. Next, the application will generate a barcode. The total price of all selected items has been placed in the barcode. 6. Scan code at a cash register. Then customer only need to scan the barcode using a barcode scanner at the self-service payment counter. 7. Payment method. Payment for item can be made via cash, debit card, or online payments such as QR. And lastly, take item. Customer can put the purchase item in the bag. They can also choose whether to take a purchase receipt or not. There are 8 description flowchart process for seller. First, system initialization. The self-service checkout machine has been turned on. The system loads the software and database need for operation. Second, seller login. The seller enters their credentials such as username and password. Third, setup inventory. The seller can add or update product in the system. 4. Open checkout. The checkout terminal is open and ready for customer. 5. Customer interaction. The customer scan the items that they want to purchase. Next, the system shows the scanned items together with the overall price. 6. Payment processing. The customer pay for their purchase through their chosen method of payment, which may be card debit, cash, or online banking. 7. End transaction. The system generates a receipt for the customer. Next, the checkout terminal is received and prepared for the next customer. Lastly, seller logout. When the seller finish their work throughout the day, they log off the system. The system keeps the season data and logs the seller out.
So this is the use case diagram for the self-checkout system by UiTM Jengka Pahang Koperasi. In this use case, there are 3 actors that are involved, which is the customer, the seller, and the developer. As for customer, before start the process, they need to start using the checkout system or the self-checkout system, and then they need to scan the items and identify the totals by themselves through the apps that they created by the developer, and then they need to review and adjust the items if there's any changes they want to make, or they want to cancel to buy some items, and then they can choose several payment methods, which is by online banking, QR, cards, because there are no seller to serve them, or they cannot. In other words, they cannot pay by cash. And then after completing the payment, they can print the receipts as proof, and they can proceed by putting the items in the bag. Okay, as for seller, there are few act that they do, which is if there's any problem related to the customer to use the system, they need to guide and give a guidance and assistance to the customer on how to use the application, and then they need to record after customer make a payment, and they print the receipt The seller also need to be alert and take to bring the same kind of receipt to as a historical data for them to calculate their profit. And now let's move on to the developer. The developer is the one who created the application or the system. They just need to maintain the system. If there's any flaws or any problem, they have to fix it, and they have to think about ways to make improvement to the application that they make.
Next, I will walk you through the proposed new system for Co-op Mart, which aims to enhance the shopping experience with a seamless cashless process. Number 1 is entering the store. Customer will open the Co-op Mart application on their mobile device as they enter the store and start browsing items. This is similar to the system used by Lotus, which Co-op Mart could develop and implement. Next, customers will select the items they want to purchase and use the app to scan them. By scanning the items, customer can check prices and add the items to their virtual cart. Next, once ready to check out, customer taps the payment button in the app to generate a receipt. The receipt will then appear as a barcode, which can be scanned at a checkout register. The item list will then appear on a PC at the register. Customer can double check their items on the list to ensure everything is correct, and then customer can choose their preferred payment methods, whether it's card payment, cash, e-wallet, or applying coupons for discount. The image shown in the slide shows an example of paying with a debit card. Next, I will explain the proposed reports and outputs of the new system, focusing on how customers receive payment receipt. Number 1, if the customers use Touch and Go e-wallet, when customers use the Touch and Go e-wallet for their payments, they will receive an online payment receipt. They will also get a confirmation message indicating that the payment was successfully made. This receipt can be kept by themselves for reference purpose. Next, if customer choose to pay with cash, they will receive a physical receipt as shown in the attached example. And if for those who using debit or credit cards, they will receive an additional statement receipt, and this receipt provides confirmation that their cards have been charged, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. This report features ensure that customers have clear and accessible records of their transactions, whether they pay online or with physical methods. This helps in maintaining transparency and trust in the Co-op Mart system.
In summary, the current system, which is cashless system, has introduced numerous problems for both customers and sellers. As for customer, it makes accessibility concern, privacy concerns, and resistant to change. Meanwhile, for sellers, technological dependence, transaction fees, and internal fraud. To address the issues stemming from the cashless method at Co-op Mart, we have developed a solution which is implementing self-service checkout machines. We believe this innovative approach will enhance the shopping experience for both customers and sellers. As for Lotus applications that we refer for the self-service checkout machines at their store, this application provides various software solutions that could potentially assist in aspects of self-service operations such as collaboration, database management, and web development tools. However, business usually depends on specialized software explicitly designed for retail or service environments for dedicated self-service payment and transaction system. Looking forward, advancements in technology and the integration of specialized solutions will likely drive innovation and efficiency in self-service machine systems, improving customer experience and operational effectiveness across different sectors. That's all from us. Thank you.